Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you what to do if your ASUS VIVOBOOK Pro freezes. So, the best thing you can do is just click and hold the power button till it's powered off. If it's not working, try disconnecting it from a charger and then try to leave it for a quite while. Then when the battery dies, it should power off on its own. Connect it to a charger then and try to power it on. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.